Good morning, Internet. The world is a weird place where someone is happy, the other is sad. Today is an official holiday, and we got our independence yesterday, 31 years ago. Although really young, Uzbekistan is really doing its best to develop and grow as a country. It's mature now. It's out of its 20s, now it's going to its 30s. And I'm also aware of Mikhail Gorbachev passing away yesterday, and also the floods in Pakistan. Basically, a lot of things are happening in this world today. And the world is a crazy place where someone is celebrating, the other is in a funeral. It is just how it is, right? This is the world for you. You can't live your life fully just on sorrow. So, yeah, my condolences to the guy who basically broke down the Soviet Union and helped our country to be independent. So yeah, now I'm gonna be singing the national anthem. Now my voice is pretty bad, and especially my throat. Early morning, so I'm gonna try to slow it down. I'm not gonna go full on chanting mode. I'm just gonna sing a really low really low one. So here it goes. Serquyosh hurolkam elga baxt najot. Sen o'zing do'stlarga yo'ldosh, mehribon yashnagay to abad ilmu fan ijod. Shuhrating porlasin toki bor jahon. Oltin bu vodilar, jon Uzbekistan. Ajdodlar mardona ruhi senga yor. Ulug' xalq qudrati joshurgan zamon. Olamni mahliyo aylagan diyor. Bag'ri keng O'zbekning o'chmas iymoni. Erkin yosh avlodlar senga zo'r qanot. Istiqlol mash'ali, tinchlik posboni. Haqsevar ona yurt, mangu bo'l obod. Oltin bu vodilar, jon O'zbekiston. Ajdodlar mardona ruhi senga yor. Ulug' xalq qudrati joshurgan zamon. Olamni mahliyo aylagan